In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to divide in Excel. First of all, we start off by imputing our equals to sign, which we always do when carrying out calculations involving formulas. Next, I select the first data and I put in my slash or a slanted stroke indicating division. I select my second data, I put in my slanted stroke, I select my third data and I press the enter key. To repeat this for the remaining data, I simply drag. And there you have it. The remaining data have been automatically divided. To my left is a larger data set. In another of my YouTube video, I'm going to teach you how to divide larger data sets. You do not want to be caught up manually inputting slash for each of these data or when working with data sets larger than this. So watch out for that YouTube video. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. This is the last video on basic arithmetic function.